Alright, so this is going to be on very basic volume. It's what we went over today in class. So let's take a look here. Before we get really started, our formula for volume for just, rectangular cuboids, cubes. Rectangular cuboid is a fancy word for that shape. But our formula is length times width times height. And since we are working with three numbers, all of which have units, so units would be like inches, centimeters, meters, kilometers, what have you. Since we're multiplying three units together, our units are going to be cubed. Okay? So let's take a look at this one. It is 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. I need to multiply all of my numbers together. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. Those are centimeters cubed. So that one's pretty simple. Just with cubes, it's, well, the number cubed. Moving on to one that's slightly, maybe more challenging. We've got this guy. And if you want to, pause the video now and you can work it out. And then play the video and I'll work it out. So, go ahead now if you want to and pause the video. Okay, so we are working with 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. So this can be our height, this can be our width, and this can be our length. Okay, with multiplication, it really doesn't matter which you do with shapes like this. Once you get to spheres and cylinders, yeah, your numbers where they go matter, but right now, not really. So 2, 3, and 5. So I have 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. Did not write that very well. 6 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And this one is technically squared since we have 2 there. Then 6 centimeters squared times 5 centimeters makes it 30 centimeters cubed. That would be your volume. Volume has always got cubic units. So our last one here, like the one previous, if you want to, go ahead and pause it and work it out, and then press play and watch the solution. So the numbers we're working with here are a little bit bigger, but the process is still the same. The formula is still the same. It's length times width times height. Alright, so we've got 9 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 7 centimeters. So 9 times 5 is 45. Centimeters squared times 7 centimeters. And even I have to work this one out. I don't know my 45 times tables. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31. 315 centimeters cubed, okay? Always make sure you write the units, okay?